Welcome to DIY Craftivities, and my name is Melody.
And mine's Isaiah.
And today we are going to be building these.
I'm going to start with this one.
And I'm going to start with meow. Meow.
Ecans. Meow.
Meow. Meow. That's right. That's right.
Meow says
that's what he says.
Always. Can this open up?
Okay. Okay. How do I open this? Oh, meow. Ah, cute. Oh, he has like.
We just snap them together. Oh, my Pokeball pop.
Okay, I'm gonna see how to open this.
Found it.
Okay, I found mine too. This little part is like the whiskers and stuff. I've got two parts.
Mine popped out by itself.
Okay, I'm gonna open this.
Ecans and snake.
Whoa, let's not get our things mixed together. I thought ecans looked fun for you, so I picked it out. Okay, meow, so get out, meow.
Meow. That's right. I'm going to jump out. Well, this is a huge instructions. Okay, I'm starting to build mine now. Okay, what do I do first?
Here it is. Here's the little like tummy or something here. And here's the little pearl that he has on his head. I see the ears. I see the ears. Oh, here's the butt. This is super cute. This looks
Cute, cute, cute.
okay, so first step is building his feet.
First step is making his tail.
This one,
'Cause he's a snake. Snakes are in slither. And
first I'm going to put the little thingy on the feet. I'll have some feet on my nose.
this is really a snaky ball. Oh, now I'm making his head now. I made his slithering mouth.
His little mouth.
Okay, now I'm making more part of his tail.
Okay, so I attach this thing and now I'm going to attach these two items. Go right there. Now I'm doing the feet
Catching this
and
piece.
grabbing these. Or
Snake
this.
is really long. Okay, I finished making the ecans.
Ecans.
His tail is so long. Making a ratata. Wow. Hey, this is in a bag.
What's in the back?
Something's off the back of him. What's this?
Mine came with something in its thingy too. Yeah.
It's
What?
instructions in his bag.
I forgot where it said it.
Okay, finally.
Now I'm starting to make the head.
And I do not know what this little paper puzzle
It's his
piece
little
thing-
whiskers.
Whiskers probably are. Wait, do rats have whiskers? Probably not. Ratata. Ratata. That's his name. Ratata.
Okay, that was a blast.
Making ratata.
This is going to be funny what I'm going to say.
What?
Ratata has taught you about rats.
Ratatas taught you about ratatas.
No, only rats.
Ratatas, rat, yeah. Ratata. He has his little paws. I don't know how to put his paws on him. 1, 2,
Come on.
3, 4. Attaching his feet to his body.
Meow. Meow.
Meow tata. Meow.
That's right.
That's right, meow tata. Snappity ratata legs. I almost put his last leg on, and I am going to be putting his last leg on right now. I have a rumbly tumbly.
Now I'm going to put him on.
Wonder what
Got him.
is this?
And now just his tail.
Misha's tail. Speaking of tail, I'm putting Ratata's tail on.
Finish little meow. Okay, now just put the Pokeball back.
No, his whisker things just fell out. Am I got in the perfect spot?
One completed.
Now
Now I want to do Eevee.
Eevee.
I'm going to get ready to rip. That was funny. Hey, this one has one of the bad guys, and then the Magikarp, Pikachu, Eevee, and Abra.
Kadabra.
No, just Abra. A Machamp. So now I'm gonna get Eevee.
I just finished making my Rattata.
The bees went all the way over the table.
Finished Rattata.
Over.
Last Pokemon for me to do, and then I'll see who makes the main Pokemon. Geodude I'm making.
Be funny and attach them, but now there's just like a spinning thingy. It's gonna be funny.
Fidget spinner?
It's like one of those things that fall off a tree. That's what it looks like when it's falling.
This is going to be my last Pokemon to make. Then she'll have to make her last one, which she's on her second one. My muscles are getting sore. That I can't even open the Pokemon. Whoa, the Geodude's in 2 bags, but it looked like it was only in 1 bag.
Geodude.
This looks like a clear lightsaber blade. These are really long instructions.
I just attached the ears. No. Whoa! This is going to be cool.
Looks like kind of a knife to me.
I already got the face done.
I already did too. Geodude, really happy. We finished making our face at the same time. He looks really weird upside down.
Let me see.
Catching his first hand to punch me in the face. Eepee! Eepee!
Dinosaur.
There you go. All right. Under your seat. Oh, I see.
Last sneeze.
He hangs really high on the Pokeball with clear so no one can see. Okay, now all I have to do is wait.
Oh no, I don't want to go inside the Pokeball.
Pika matches me.
I just finished the Magikarp.
Okay, I'm coming back now.
1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors.
Crazy, dropping everywhere. Now the last main Pokemon is Pikachu. Melody, want to finish Pikachu? I did half of him.
Sure. Dad, we both shared Pikachu.
I wanted to actually, because you've never made Pikachu, so I thought if you want to make the other half.
Hoops. I said hoops.
Hoops, oops, pumpkin loops. Pikachu.
Legs are super close. Finished them all. There, got it.
Pikachu, time for our Pokemon battle.
I choose you.
Pikachu, I choose you. Pikachu. or a Pika?
Let's start.
Pikachu!
Ow. Oh no, I'm upside down. Help me. Help me. I'm gonna scratch. Scratch. I don't think it was fair. You're landing my legs now. No, his tail fell off.
Pikachu?
It's super funny when his legs fell off.
Don't let me my meow legs off. Josh knows what Pika says by Pika and Pikachu.
Pika, you won this fair battle. I am mad. Ow.
Pika, stand ready for the next battle.
Okay.
Pika! Pikachu! Pikachu.
Oh no.
Defeated you with a couple punches.
He punches this guy. He just punched
Punch him off the table.
Ready after the Pokemon. I just made flowers grow out of your head.
Ow! Poison.
Poison.
Oh, shit. Oh my God. I lost the battle. Oh no. Yeah. 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 Ow. Ow. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I knocked his ears off.
Edie wins!
Again.
Tata,
Even who?
the winner is Melody! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Poison! Poison!
See, I got them. I got him.
Oh, but now I think I need to go to the hospital in a minute, even though Pokemon Hospital. The Pokemon Hospital.
This one was first place. This one was second place.
And that one was third place.
Yeah.
And don't forget to like
And subscribe.
if you like
Like
this
this
video. I can slither in.
Bye.
Meow.
Bye.
Geodude. Pikachu.